You are watching BitBNS News.
Today's headlines. The majority of game developers are beginning to include blockchain in their games, according to a study. Twitter sets up a dedicated team to focus on cryptocurrency and decentralized apps. AMC now accepts Bitcoin and Ethereum for online payments. Universal Music announces first NFT band, Kingship. Ethereum Foundation moved $90 million worth of coins to sell on Kraken. Tencent CEO excited about Metaverse as Q3 revenue lags. ADA Finance builds the first DeFi ecosystem on Cardano with affiliate incentives. Amasa partners with Polygon Studios to accelerate adoption of play-to-earn gaming. Most game developers in US and UK are now using blockchain elements in their games. According to a study released this week, the study commissioned by a company named Stratis revealed that the popularity of blockchain, NFTs, and new play-to-earn model in the crypto market is making game developers change the traditional ways in which games are produced, with the intention of exciting new players and accessing new markets. Twitter has set up a team to focus on crypto, blockchains, and other decentralized technologies, including and going beyond cryptocurrencies. Initially, the team will explore how it can support the growing interest among creators to use decentralized apps to manage virtual goods and currencies to support their work and communities. Twitter said, "We are exploring ways to incorporate decentralized technologies into our products and infrastructure." Today, America's leading theater chain AMC announced that the company has started accepting several cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin for online payments. The company's users now have the option to pay in crypto digitally. Moreover, AMC has also started taking payments through PayPal, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. In a recent tweet, Adam Aron, the CEO of AMC Theaters, mentioned that digital payments like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash are gaining popularity among clients. Universal Music Group, often known as UMG, has been a top record label for a long time, with the big impact on music both from a business and listening perspective. On Thursday, Universal added to their roster of artists with a bit of twist. Most people are familiar with music group Gorillaz, whose look and style was basically a NFT before we knew what it was. UMG has now announced their first NFT band, Kingship. According to the Ethereum Blockchain Explorer, the Ethereum Foundation was spotted transferring almost 100 million worth of Ethereum coins to centralized exchange Kraken. The transaction itself is nothing unusual since the Ethereum Foundation is constantly selling its crypto fund to receive fiat currencies, which supports the organization's activity. But the main concern of the majority of users is the timing of the foundation has chosen. According to market history of Ethereum and on-chain data, the foundation tends to sell its holding 3 to 5% close to the next local top. The amount sold by foundation does not even reach 0.1% of the daily trading volume of Ethereum. Hence, it cannot affect the price directly. Pony Ma, chairman and CEO of Tencent, the Chinese payment and social media giant that is also the world's biggest video game vendor, said in the company's third quarter performance call this week that the metaverse is very exciting, but a little bit vague, and an opportunity that really adds growth to the existing industries. Despite posting 13% year-to-year rise, Tencent's revenue growth, coming in the midst of China's new restrictions on online gaming, fell short of the market's expectation. The decentralized finance DeFi community has long waited the arrival of heavy-duty DeFi protocol on Cardano. With the Alonzo hard fork, Cardano is making progress to release smart contract deployment on its blockchain, and the stage has been set for revolutionary new financial services to build on the network. Over its short history, DeFi has expanded into behemoth community with a total value locked TVL that stands at around $275 billion today. However impressive numbers these may seem, the total AUM of traditional finance TradFi still looms over large DeFi, and for many this represents an exponential room for DeFi's growth. Amasa, a world-first micro-income stream investment platform, has partnered with Polygon Studios to accelerate adoption of play-to-earn gaming and facilitate the transition of game development and studio building from Web 2 to Web 3. Polygon Studios is a branch of Polygon created to focus on the Web 3 gaming and NFT space, with the goal of driving adoption of Web 3D apps and technologies. Building on a clear alignment of vision, Amasa plans to integrate with tools and wallet developments created by Polygon Studios and connect with new project built or backed by the project.